Welcome back to another Scottish Tech YouTube video. So we have part 2 of the series of sorting out the wee Bedford Rascal. So I've cleaned up my garage today. I'm meeting Greg up at Bambi just now, that's what it's called, and we're going to rip all the camper bit off it, take the Bedford down to my house, put that in the garage, and then we'll take the trailer back up and really put all the camper stuff on the trailer, and then it's getting collected by a waste company at a later stage. So don't know how easy or hard, the sun's blinding me, don't know how easy or hard this camper bit's going to be to take off, but we'll soon find out. Here we go, here's the full fleet. So, me and Greg's task is to get this off of here. I don't think it's going to take much, to be honest. I was hoping in the gust of wind the other day might have done it, but it's just fiberglass, so hopefully we should be able to break it off easy enough. Once it's broken off, I'm going to put it in a pile here, and then I'm going to take that away, and we'll come back and then we'll put it on the trailer that I've just brought along as well. So, aye, say goodbye to the classic. The seat's staying though.
Now, I reckon now you can just drive it.
Oh my god. That would?
You're going to be sick.
Oh my god. That's not what I expected.
Like nowadays they use fiberglass. I'll be a couple of minutes. I reckon you might have that.
No doubt what yours works right now.
I'm trying to earn my £4 back.
Now these screws here go through here, and I think they go into this sort of bulkhead. So I'm planning, if I unscrew all these, which amazingly they unscrew, that hopefully I'll be able to sort of just pull that away for the back of the cab. That's the plan anyway. Again, unsure if this will work.
Oh my god, there's a spider. Look at that.
Fucking hell. How fucked
I'm a very unhashy worker, man.
Aye, that's a really good idea, Greg.
What bit is that?
Yeah, this is good. All these bolts need to come out. That needs to come out.
There must be something.
They bolts there need to come out. Yeah.
Aye. They've got to be captive, surely. Captive existence? What is he cutting? What was it? What was that noise? What are you in there? What? Well, I can only imagine that bolt's been in there since this got built, right? And it just comes out. No bother. Ah, there's wood in there. Have we got any LED lights?
Nah, we'll be bold.
Greg said, oh, we should take these lights off and use them for van stop.
You've got your big movement there for the back one.
Well, if you put a strap around that and fucking coat.
Whoa. I think you just pull the door handle off.
I don't know, that's solid, mate.
Yeah, I need to cut myself.
That is quite solid, to be fair.
Look at that, eh? Tiny bit of fun. Tiny bit of that.
So I had an idea to cut right around the rim with the grinders so that hopefully it'll just lift off. However, it's not worked because there's layers and layers to cut through, so we're back to unbolting it to see if it'll come off easier that way. Greg, tell me what you're going to do right now.
Graft.
Good after, Greg.
Take this off. Right, what was this?
More bolts as you go along, but
He's grindered that bit, Greg, where it cuts in.
must be more. Should be you.
Are you cutting this?
Where are you?
Me? Yeah, cut. Oh!
I don't know what I've done.
It's not going to cut you, like. They're not instantly sharp.
It fell off and landed on top of it.
So we've got movement now in the front. So we're going to cut out this section here. There's still something bolting down at the back. So we're going to cut that section out so we can see what's behind it.
What this? 13 spanner.
Now we've unbolted everything and made it as loose as we can, but we still can't seem to get it off, so desperate times,
Yeah.
desperate measures. Well, it worked. So it literally has come off in one piece, which is exactly what we wanted.
There we go, camper delete. Don't know what the hell was holding that on, but he's trying to get rid of this mess.
I feel like this is the way to push up.
Straight, come back. Leave, hit it with momentum.
Get like all four.
Later.
How are we going to break this contract?
That's the whole point of it, I didn't want it on you.
wee Bedford's all loaded onto the trailer. It's just got one strap either side that is literally going under a mile and it's not going to go anywhere. This is a pile of rubbish that we're now faced with. So there is somebody on their way right now to pick all this up. So all this is going to end up going to the tip. But aye, it's quite a lot actually when you look at it compared to what it was when it was on there. But that's that all stripped. The next stage is obviously getting it into the garage. We'll get that in this video, and then we'll need to begin stripping it. We'll take all the axles off, everything, get everything sandblasted, pressure wash, sandblasted, repainted. But the actual chassis itself is pretty solid. There's no any sort of weak spots. So aye, you get this wee thing running too though. That is all rubbish gone. Big shout out to your junk in Edinburgh. If anybody's got any rubbish being cleared, that is your company.
You're going to end up in that wee hole.
There we go, so it's in. Doesn't look so small in here anymore. Got a bit of organising at the other half of the garage, and then we'll bump this round so it's sitting at an angle. That'll give us plenty of space to work on it, but it's going to take a bit of work, a bit of rust up on the roof, but everything's fixable on it, so aye. Job tomorrow's going to be I'm going to roll it back out tomorrow, pressure wash all the chassis, just to get all that loose flaky stuff off it, and then that'll all be in the next episode. There we go then, that is episode 2 complete. It is now decampered and in the garage ready for its restoration. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any uploads of the wee Bedford Bambi Rascal, whatever we want to call it. We're sticking with Bambi. So aye, once again thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.